What's up, party people? We're here at Capitol Reef National Park, continuing our journey to visit the Big Five in Utah. I have no idea what to expect here. We found a parking spot at this like ranch thing, and there's like, I guess, a museum over there. I don't think there's paid entry here either because we didn't have to stop at any gate. Visitor center parking was full, so we weren't able to grab a map, but I think we're gonna go over to that museum thing and just see what's up. Well, we saw this sign from over there, and I don't know, looks like a good place to start. What do you think?
Yeah.
You want to do it?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
So, like I said, never been to Capitol Reef before, had no clue what to expect. I guess it is a free park, because like I said, we did not have to stop at any station or anything, so we just rolled right in here, and it seems pretty busy. Hopefully the hiking is good, but it already looks like we're gonna get a nice view going up here. Canyon's really cool. Got a lot of wind holes, presumably. Oh yeah, this is pretty. Nice introduction hike to Capitol Reef, I'd say.
Feel how cool it is back here. Holy smokes. That's nice.
Does it keep going?
Yeah.
Are you claustrophobic?
A little bit right now. I don't know how we would get up there. I don't think like we can go back there.
What do you mean?
Do you think people have climbed up through there?
Probably.
Oh. I'm scared I'm gonna get stuck.
I'm not gonna get stuck. I hate it.
Get up there. I think that I might.
Go sideways.
You can try if you'd like.
I would like. Okay, let's see if I can pull my Joshua tree out for this.
Be careful.
I don't think I can, you know? I don't think I can.
Don't do it.
Because, like, if there was another rock here and you could get higher, I could, but no. Hey, I'm editing right now, so that's why this sounds horrible, but that canyon painfully owned me, and I'll admit it. This is nice. I like this trail. Look at that sky. Dark and foreboding. And we can hear thunder echoing. So we might just head back. I don't even know if we'll make it to the car in time if we go back, but whatever.
I agree. But I also don't think it would be fun to be in a parking lot on the other side of the park either.
No. All right. Rain in the desert. I seem to have the worst luck with that. Last time we were in the desert, It poured and poured and poured and got a whole bunch of my truck wet on the inside. I don't know why that happens to me. It's not supposed to rain here. We met some people on the trail who just said they had been warned of things here at the park washing out due to this rainstorm. Obviously, we don't know what areas are gonna flood really. And flash flooding in the desert is no joke. So maybe it'll be good to stay put for a second and just see what happens with this rain. Because I have no service, so I can't check on anything myself. And we have no map.
Really, provisions are low today. Maybe we overestimated the speed at which it was coming
Maybe.
down in the canyon, but it definitely is. It's just gotten cloudy.
Yeah, it's gotten cloudy. There's been a good bit of thunder. So, I don't know. I think just watching what the storm does is smart, and if we continue through the park, looks like we'll keep going up. So that should be good as well, I hope.
Maybe we can get a map and find better.
Alright, well, we're just gonna go up here and see what we see, I guess. Oh, well, there's a fee station ahead. All vehicles stop. Perhaps, maybe we'll get a map. Don't know what that thing's for. Maybe we won't get a map.
Yeah,
Where's the fee station? Was that little thingy on the side of the road it that no one stops at?
I guess so.
This scenic drive is kind of depressing.
Yeah.
I can't lie to you. It's not quite scenic. I mean, yes, there's that, but you can see that from the interstate.
Yeah.
And going 25 miles an hour on these tiny roads is not exactly my idea of fun. So it is starting to rain a little bit, and the only turnoff on this road that we saw has a giant sign that says "Do not enter if storm threatening." So I don't think we'll go in there. All right, so we parked at the visitor center, got our hands on a map, and a trail that looks cool is this Chimney Rock one. It's a nice loop, and it's in the direction of our campsite tonight. So since it's already like 1:30, figured that would be a good option. And also off of the scenic drive road that we were on. So this is the trail that we did, Cohab Canyon. And then there was that grand wash that says not to enter if it's raining. And then you go all the way up here, and then there's a couple of trails up here. So for a 2-hour drive, I mean, worth it? I don't know. If you like scenic drives, check out this park, and check out Saguaro National Park in Arizona, because they are some nice parks for scenic drives. If you like hiking, go to Canyonlands. All right, Chimney Rock Trail after some peanut butter and jelly wraps. Forgot the word. Looks like the sun is coming back out, and that's good, because when we first got here, before we ate our lunch, I saw some pretty scary looking lightning, so I'm glad that it's starting to clear up a bit. There's the parking area. There's a nice view, and here's the hill that we're climbing. Not gonna lie to you, this ascent has us pretty gassed. We did come all the way from down over there, but still, oh my god.
I'm hating this.
I guess it is a little harder to push through on the third day. Yeah, second day sore, and then third day pain. And we're just out of shape. So we're doing the full loop here. Oh gosh, not the hiccups.
Not the hiccups.
It's a pretty awesome view. It is really hot.
It's heinously hot today.
Look at this crazy view.
Canyon!
Still going up. Trail is way better now that we're sort of on level ground, sort of going downhill, not absolutely dying. Great view, can appreciate it way more now. Quite a nice view from down in here. It's actually crazy how far away that stuff is. And thank goodness for this cloud cover, because it's hot enough as it is. That's where we started. Here we are driving through Torrey, which is like 13 minutes, 15 minutes away from the park. And apparently it's Utah's first dark skies community, so that's cool, that's interesting.
Curry pizza.
Curry
Indian
pizza.
food, pizza and wings.
Yummy.
What?
It's a cute little town for sure, but we're just gonna turn around and go back to the gas station because all we really need is some beer and some water. And our campsite is back the other way, so. Here we are rolling into camp for the first time. So far, I like it. It's got trees, so that already means a little bit more private, which is just nice. We just stopped at the only gas station in town and got some water and beer.
I got my meat stick that Dylan hates the smell of.
And she got some Slim Jim, and we got another can of Spam. We got another can of Spam, because Spam is good. As we learned in the last video. If you want to see us eat Spam tacos at the end of hiking Canyonlands, check out the last video. No fires here.
Okay.
Well, here we are at the spot. It's not bad. It's not the most private one, but there's some trees, there's some shelter and blockage, and it looks really pretty. I mean, we're in kind of a big spot here. It'll do for a good night's sleep for sure. And if we want to hang out here tomorrow, that's to be determined. I know we wanted a rest day where we were gonna walk around town a little bit, but we just rolled through town and it's literally like a gas station and 2 restaurants, so not gonna spend any time there tomorrow. So we'll figure it out. Tonight for dinner, gorgeous out there by the way, is pasta, sardines, and green beans. Sounds disgusting and ordinarily a heinous meal, but when you're out here hiking all the time, some protein, some carbs, and just salt just sounds really good. All right, hate the dinner if you want, but it's actually scrumptious. No complaints. Look at that view. We did get some teenagers just over the hill, and let me tell you, teenagers scare the
All right.
Yeah, so even Amelia didn't like the dinner tonight, but whatever. I did. I don't care. It's a nice night tonight. We're just gonna kind of chill, and then tomorrow drive over to Bryce Canyon, but not the actual park yet. We just really need a rest day, so we're gonna go over to the campsite there, just chill out for the rest of the day. Go do Bryce Canyon after that. All right, guys, it's another beautiful morning out here in Utah. I'm drinking some nice cold coffee. Gorgeous view out here at the campsite. So we're gonna drive about 2 hours, get to a campsite near Bryce Canyon, and just chill out there for the rest of the day. All right, and off we go to Bryce Canyon. So here we are in Dixie National Forest. Super awesome with all the pine trees. It's definitely a big change of scenery from the desert where we've been. We're gonna keep going a little further in here and just see what's up.
Take a gander.
So there's some good hiking trails right in this national forest that are only a couple minutes away. And then Bryce Canyon National Park is only 16 minutes away as well. And we have service, so not bad. All right, this is the spot that we chose. It's really awesome. I love this view. It's just a really neat little spot. We got some trees, great view, no other campsites around us. 16-day limit, not that we'd be here anywhere close to that long. Little fire ring, perfect. Just out here drinking a beer, eating some goober wraps with a view. So if you can see that darkness right there, no, that is not mountains. That is some dark clouds rolling this way over that hill. And we can hear the thunder rippling. But that's fine by me because this spot is so cozy and so nice. The cold wind feels great. And some rain would just make it even more cozy. I do wish I had some cheese, crackers, and pepperoni right now. Then it would be absolutely perfect. Look at this thing, it's ready to blow.
Oh.
Oh.
I thought at least it would pop.
We found a little trail thingy. It's insane how sunny it is, and you can see how bright it is over here. But look at how dark the sky is. It's so trippy. It feels like the sun should be setting, or it's like almost nighttime or something. And it didn't even rain on us. It
It's
just like
been dancing around us.
it just like passed right through. But it looks so crazy out the window. It's like an eclipse or something looking out here.
It is.
Oh my gosh.
They're so cute. Look, they're playing. This deer looks so crazy.
There's a whole bunch of deer or something out there. Oh, right there.
They're so cute.
That's crazy.
Look at that little one back there. How cute.
Oh, whoops, the GoPro's still zoomed in, but there we go, cooking up some mac and cheese and French style green beans. And look at that sunset. That's really pretty. Glad we saw some wildlife out here. It's a happy Saturday out here in Dixie National Forest. Thank you guys so much for watching our Capitol Reef adventure. We still got 2 more parks left in the Utah Big 5, so if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned. All right.